Welcome to Scopito Tutorials. This video covers how expert analysis works. Let's get started. The Scopito platform is extremely user-intuitive and provides different points of entry when submitting inspections for expert analysis. Once we have created our inspection and uploaded the image data, we might be uncertain which analysis type to select. If this is the case, we can then navigate to the Analyze button on the right bar menu. Click on Scopito Analysis, select the images we want to have analyzed, then press Submit Inspection. Scopito will then review it and point it to the proper workflow. To find information on pricing, we can click on the Inspection Analysis here, and for this example, we will click on Building Survey Analysis. Here, we see an explanation of this type analysis, as well as the standard pricing for this type analysis. And then, we will complete the analysis survey form by hovering our mouse over this URL, right-click here, then select Go to Link to bring up the form. Complete the form, and then click Submit to Scopito for the best analysis recommendation. We can also create our own analysis teams by clicking Analysis Management on the left bar menu. Here, we can create a custom workflow and team, and we can find instructions by clicking here on the guide that gives us a step-by-step instruction for each component. We can create our workflow by clicking on the plus button. Then, we would give our workflow a name, then a description, and then press Create. On this screen, we can add our existing team or create a new team. Just click on the green plus button, give our team a name, then add our team description, then add our team members. Then click on Create Team. We can then add a next team to continue the workflow, and for this we will just add a QA team. Now we have a team that will perform the analysis, and then the team that will do quality assurance of the analysis. Thank you for viewing this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.